Hello, my name is John Allen and I'm the President and CEO of the Texas Inspection Firm. I'm also the author of the Home Check Book, an illustrated guide to inspecting both commercial and residential properties. With that said, the question I'd like to pose to you today is, should home inspectors be required to use checklists or guidebooks when performing residential or commercial property inspections? Well, let's face it, we live in a very litigious society today, and people have seemed to have gone a little bit overboard and become sue happy. If you talk to some of the old timers, they'll tell you their number one concern about being a home inspector is being sued. Some of the old timers will take it a step further and say it's not have you been sued, it's when will you be sued. So as a professional home inspector, why wouldn't you do everything humanly possible and use every tool available to minimize your exposure to possible litigation? Yes, I use a checklist. To be more precise, I use the Home Check Book. A lot of professionals use guidebooks and checklists in doing their daily jobs. Pilots, doctors, engineers, even manufacturing facilities use checklists and SOPs or standard operating procedure guides, and they use these guides to even train new hirees, much like we use the Home Check Book to train apprentices. The Home Check Book is designed to be used in the field. It's heavy-duty construction, and it's made of a MPM material that is silicone treated that allows write-on, wipe-off technology. It's a tear-resistant, as I said, MPM-type material, which means it's a mylar paper, mylar construction, and again, it's silicone treated, and it allows you to write on and then wipe off. So you can use this book hundreds, if not thousands of times. It's laid out in such a format that it allows you to read and check the standards of practice, and the page below it corresponds to the standards that are listed above throughout the entire book. Utilizing a grease pencil, you come in here and you just check off the appropriate check boxes: inspected, not inspected, not present, deficient, the property slope. In this case, we're talking about grading and drainage, and it goes in here for the property slope: flat, low, medium, steep, and throughout. It just outlines everything for you, speeding up the inspection process without overlooking a single item. And then it gives you a large space here to make any comments. Now, where it's great for the apprentice that's training under you is that this book is full of information that they are sure to see again on any exam that they're required to take prior to receiving their license. Once you're done with the inspection and you've transferred all of this data and this information into your computer or onto your electronic copy for your client, all you have to do is take the magic eraser and come in here, and I don't know whether you can see this, I hope you can, and you can see it doesn't smudge, so you're not going to lose any of the data until you use the magic eraser, and then you just come in here and erase the information. And you're ready to go again for your next inspection. To learn more about the Home Check Book, please visit our site at www.texasinspectionfirm.com. Again, that's www.texasinspectionfirm.com. Thank you and have a great day.